So CoreWeave wins on GPU cost, speed, and simplicity for AI. So what's the bottom line, Linthicum? Well, CoreWeave is best for fast, affordable, and large-scale artificial intelligence and machine learning tasks, obviously. So if you're just focused on that and you're looking for a single platform that's able to provide the best bang for the buck, in other words, low costs, high performance, speed to market, speed to deployment, CoreWeave is going to be a better option for you. AWS is best for global enterprises and multi-service cloud operations. Obviously, if we're trying to get a complete array of services supporting our IT systems, AWS is going to be a better fit. You're going to pay for that, though. AWS is going to be typically more expensive. And you got to remember, in some instances, AWS was built from the ground up to handle workloads and different processing patterns and storage patterns than AWS needs. And in some way, they've had to adapt that infrastructure to AI use cases. And obviously, they're not going to be able to do so as efficiently as someone like CoreWeave, which is able to build their entire cloud infrastructure, cloud multi-tenant system from the ground up just to support AI. There's a huge advantage in doing that. So CoreWeave wins on GPU cost, speed, and simplicity for AI. AWS wins for global reach and service breadth. That's obviously the clear way. So in other words, it's horses for courses. In other words, if you're going to be moving to just AI systems, you're looking to build huge strategic AI systems, very costly to do that. You may find that CoreWeave is not only the better technical solution for you, but they're able to deliver this stuff at a much lower reduced cost. And obviously with some of these generative AI systems being 5 to 10 times the cost of building the same thing using traditional technology, that really matters. So you don't have an unlimited pile of money within these IT groups. And so if we're looking to leverage the stuff, leverage the features that are going to provide the best bang for the buck for AI purposes, CoreWeave is going to be the winner. And again, you can still mix and match it with other hyperscalers and other sovereign cloud providers and other neo clouds and however you want to do it in a multi-cloud scenario. And that's the way people are typically deploying this these days. In other words, CoreWeave may be a best of breed solution.